In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a easy 15-minute scalping strategy. That's the strategy I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video. And we're going to be taking a look at this strategy using GBP JPY. But before we actually get into today's video, so if you guys want access to my signals on Discord, the link is going to be down below in the description. All you have to do is to just click the link down below and you guys will absolutely get access to my trading community and trading ideas on Discord. Now let's get this video started. Now, to use this strategy, we're going to be using it on the 15-minute time frame like I told you guys earlier. But before we get into any position at all, if you're trying to get into a sell position or a buy position, we need to figure out our highs and our lows, and we're not going to be using any indicators at all, because in my own opinion, using no indicators at all is the best way to trade the forex market. So using pure price action, and to do that we need to figure out and make sure we identify our highs and our lows. And to do this, even though our entry is going to be on the 15-minute time frame, I recommend going to the 30-minute time frame or the 1 hour time frame to get in, to make sure you figure out and identify your highs and your lows. You can also go to your 1 hour time frame as well, but in this case we're going to be using the 30-minute time frame to identify our highs and our lows. Then our entry is going to be on the 15-minute time frame. Now if we take a look at this buy right here, if we take a look at this buy over here, this buy right here, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at this buy right here. Now to do that, we're going to go ahead to the 30-minute time frame and we're going to look for and make sure we identify our highs and our lows. And if we take a look at this, we can see that we have our most recent highs. So we make sure we focus in on our most recent highs and our most recent lows. So we have our most recent high right there and we have our most recent low over here. So once you've identified your most recent highs and your most recent lows, now what we actually going to do now is now we can go to the 15-minute time frame and patiently wait for the right time to get in our buy position. Now I'm going to put this in replay mode and I'll show you guys where your entry would have been to take this buy position. So let's take a look and see here. We can see the price was actually consolidating right here. So let's keep looking. So now what we actually waiting for here is we need price to break and close above our previous high. Now once we have that, now we'll have our entry right over here at this bullish candle right here, and we can have our stop loss right here for 25 pips. So using this strategy, I recommend you setting your stop loss between 25 and 30 pips. Now to look for our take profit, you can either stay on the 15-minute time frame or you can go back to the 30-minute time frame, or you can just use your risk to reward ratio tool. That all depends on you. But in this video we're going to switch back to the 30-minute time frame and we'll see that we can actually target this zone here, because this was our previous low. Looking at this to the left hand side, we can see that we had rejections here, rejections before price finally broke and closed below it. Now we can go back to the 15-minute time frame and we will have, so this is going to be our take profit target right here. So we're looking at 43 pips, risk to reward ratio 1:6. So let's see how this trade actually played out. Let's take a look and see. And right there, we got our take profit smashed for 43 pips, stop loss 25 pips, risk to reward ratio 1:6. So guys, this is exactly how you use this strategy to take a buy position. Very simple strategy to use. No indicators at all, because you really don't need it, like I told you guys earlier. Now we're going to take a look at another example here, and this time around we're going to take a look at a sell position, at a sell example. Now we're on the 15-minute time frame, and we're going to use this sell right here. That's what we're going to do. So now we switch back to the 30-minute time frame, and we just gotta look for that sell. So now that we're on the 30-minute time frame, all we need to do is to figure out our highs and our lows, most recent, or you can say our previous highs and lows. So we have our previous high. So this was our previous high here. We have our previous high here, and we have our previous low. So this was our previous low here. So now, once you've identified your previous high and your previous low, now what we're going to do is we're going to switch back to the 15-minute time frame here, and we look for that zone. Now once you on the 15-minute time frame, now you just patiently wait for the right time to get in your sell position. Now we're on the 15-minute time frame. Now let's put this also in replay mode, and let me show you guys where your entry will be for this sell position. So let's take a look here. So right here we have this candle broke and closed below our previous low. Now let's wait for the right time to get in. Now that we have the break and close below our previous low, now we'll have our sell entry right here at this candle here, and you can have your stop loss right here, right above the previous zone. And for this stop loss, we're going to be looking at about 30 pips right there. And now we can look to the left hand side here. You can stay on the 15-minute time frame, or you switch to the 30-minute time frame, and we look for a potential take profit target. And you guys can see that we have a previous low right here. Now this is going to be our take profit zone. So we'll have our take profit zone right there. So we're anticipating the price is going to eventually get to this zone here. Now we'll have, so we're anticipating the price is going to potentially get to this zone here. That's why we have our take profit here, because when it comes to Forex, all we're doing is we're actually trading from zones to zones. So we go back to the 15-minute time frame here, and we'll just target this take profit zone over here, and we're looking at 31 pips, and risk to reward ratio is 1. So let's take a look and see how this trade played out as well. And as you can see right there, we got our take profit smashed for 31 pips right there. So guys, this is exactly how you use this easy 15-minute scalping strategy. So I hope you guys found value in this video, and if you find value in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. That's really going to help this channel a lot, and it's going to help the YouTube algorithm to promote this video. So give this video a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. And before I leave you guys, I'm starting a challenge on my Discord trading community on January next year. So guys, make sure if you want to take part in that challenge, the Discord trading community link is going to be down below in the description. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you all, and I'll see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace and love.